Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo into a video using the DreamFace AI. So, let's get started. Go to your web browser and visit the DreamFace AI's website. If you haven't signed up yet, create an account or log in. Then click the Upload Image button. Select a clear, high-quality photo of a face for the best result. Browse through the different animation styles available. Select a preset animation or customize the movements and expression. Then you can click the Generate and wait for the DreamFace AI to process your image, and this may take a few seconds to a minute depending on the animation style. Once the video is ready, preview it and make sure you're happy with the result. Click download to save it to your device. Share your animated video on social media and friends. And that's it. You've just turned an image into a video using the DreamFace AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!